So we've been in lockdown now for about 7 weeks in the UK, although it is slightly easing off now. But with all that spare time on our hands, me and Jamie have been talking and we decided we were going to try and up our game a bit with filming, especially like when we're in our houses or the garages or whatever, trying to get the most out of the space we've got. So we started looking and we bought a load of studio equipment, mics, lights, tripods, everything that would help us get better quality out of our videos. So over to Jamie and he's going to take you through everything we bought.
So there's really 4 things that you're going to need for this, and the first thing really is a fixed point for your camera. Get it level, get it steady. The second thing is a decent quality microphone. You can either use a lapel mic or a shotgun mic. The third thing is somewhere to film, somewhere that's not bland and boring. So I've just come in the garage, got some nice cladding behind me and some shelving, and I've just put a couple of bits behind me. It's not to take the focus away from who's talking to the camera, but it just creates a little bit of a frame just to sit it in. The fourth thing, which is the most important really, is the lights. The lights are going to change everything you film. Make sure you set them up right, and make sure you set your camera to suit the colour of the bulbs with your white balance. So just going to run you through quickly what we've got here. I couldn't get one of my lights over far enough, so it's sat on the table, which is what, again, a really good thing for them. They're versatile, you can just unclip them and move them. I've got my 2 lights set up. They're at an upward angle because I'm wearing a cap. This is my setup before the lights, before the microphone. Not so glamorous. We're back with the lights and the microphone. The video quality is massively improved because the lighting is good, and the audio quality is hugely improved as well because of the independent microphone that's picking up the audio. So let's not forget that this is not thousands of pounds worth of kit. This is very affordable. It's all under £150, and you're going to be able to improve your video quality. So let's head over to Sean, check out his before and after, so you can see that this is going to work anywhere for you as well.
So now you know everything it's taken to get this better look and quality. Let's show you what it was like before. So yeah, this isn't as good. The microphone on the GoPro standard is pretty bad. It's got quite a distant sound to it. The widescreen, which is good for all the action stuff on the bike, but it gives this beveled look. Not beveled, but like fisheye look. So the outside goes like a rounded kind of edge to it. And the lights flicker quite a lot because of the frequency of most of the lights you have in your house. Yeah, not so good. Hopefully you've enjoyed a bit of an insight into what we've been doing in lockdown. Well, there's not been a lot else to do. Buying stuff, I suppose, like all this. Now we have a base at my house and at Jamie's house. We can kind of film anything really. We want to do a lot more product reviews, which we weren't really set up to do before, whereas now we are. We can do a lot more bike reviews, which would be a good thing. We've not even reviewed our own bikes, so if you want to see that, let us know, which would be quite nice. Now we've got some fancy lights to light everything up and make it look all good. Yeah, hopefully you'll stick around and we'll see you in the next one.